As Mick fixes the landing pad in his sights, the biggest test for the plastic flooring is yet to come. The problem with some temporary platforms is that they can get caught in recirculating air under the helicopter, flip upwards and damage the rotor blades and engines. So how will Fergus's system perform? Mick, pleased with the landing?
Yeah, very good. It's the first time I've landed on a prepared platform that's not been pinned.
Right.
Normally that would lift and hit the helicopter. So that's very impressive. It's very clear on the infrared camera, so it'd be good for day or night. And clearly it takes the weight of the aircraft.
And something you'd use again?
Yeah, it's very good. I'm very impressed.